Compound interest is one of the most powerful tools for building wealth. It's not just about saving money, it's about making your money work for you. By leveraging compound interest, you can grow your savings exponentially over time. Here's how to unlock its full potential. The key to compound interest is understanding its core principle, earning interest on both your initial investment and the interest that accumulates over time. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow, creating a snowball effect. Let's break it down. Suppose you invest $10,000 at an annual return of 7%. In the first year, you'll earn $700 in interest, bringing your total to $10,700. In the second year, that 7% applies to the new balance, not just your original investment. By year 2, you'll earn $749 in interest, and your total grows to $11,449. Over time, the growth accelerates. Starting early and being consistent are crucial. Even small contributions can add up. For example, if you invest $200 a month starting at age 25, with the same 7% return, you could have over $500,000 by the time you're 65. Another tip, reinvest your earnings. Whether you're investing in stocks, bonds, or mutual funds, ensure your dividends are automatically reinvested. This maximizes the compounding effect. It's also important to minimize fees. High fees can eat into your returns, reducing the compounding impact. Choose low-cost investment options like index funds or ETFs to keep more of your money growing. Lastly, patience is essential. Compound interest rewards long-term commitment. The longer you let your money sit and grow, the more dramatic the results. Compound interest is like planting a tree. It starts small but grows into something massive over time, as long as you nurture it. Start now, stay consistent, reinvest your earnings, and let time do the heavy lifting. The sooner you take action, the bigger the financial rewards. Your future self will thank you. Hit subscribe for more tips on building wealth and mastering personal finance. Don't wait. Start using compound interest to your advantage today.